Welcome to our channel, English Story Show. Today, I'm going to share something that has the power to transform your life forever. The book we're diving into is Atomic Habits by James Clear. Reading books is one of the most powerful investments you can make in yourself. Why? Because books are packed with decades of wisdom from some of the world's most successful and insightful individuals. Instead of spending years trying to figure things out on your own, you can learn from the best in just a few minutes. Normally, reading a book takes 10 to 15 days. But in this one video, I'll break down the key lessons in a simple, powerful, and easy to understand way. Trust me, this knowledge can change the way you think, act, and live. Time is the most valuable resource we have. Whether you're rich or poor, everyone has the same 24 hours. But how you use your time determines your future. So make sure you watch till the end because I'll share 7 life-changing habits from this book that can transform your mindset, boost your productivity, and help you achieve massive success. Plus, reading powerful books like this will improve your English. You'll learn new words, understand complex ideas, and start thinking in English. Your vocabulary, speaking skills, and confidence will skyrocket. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to English Story Show so you don't miss out on more life-changing content like this. If you want more book summaries, comment below with your favorite habit at the end of the video. Now, let's dive into the first habit from Atomic Habits. Habit number 1. Start small with tiny changes. This habit is all about the power of small, consistent actions. Most people think they need to make huge changes to see results, but that's not true. Small incremental improvements compound over time and lead to massive success. For example, if you want to get fit, don't start by trying to run 10 miles on day 1. Start with just 5 minutes of walking. If you want to read more, don't aim to finish a book in a week. Start with just 1 page a day. These tiny changes are easy to stick to, and over time they add up to something extraordinary. Imagine two people trying to learn a new skill. Person A sets a huge goal and gets overwhelmed. Quitting after a week. Person B starts small, builds momentum, and sticks with it. Who do you think will succeed? Person B, because they focused on consistency, not intensity. How to apply this in your life? Identify one small habit you want to build. Break it down into the tiniest possible action. Commit to doing it every day, no matter how small. Over time, you'll see incredible results. Habit number 2, make it obvious. Your environment plays a huge role in shaping your habits. If you want to build a good habit, make it obvious. If you want to break a bad habit, make it invisible. For example, if you want to drink more water, place a water bottle on your desk where you can see it. If you want to read more, leave a book on your pillow so you see it before bed. On the flip side, if you want to stop eating junk food, don't keep it in your house. Imagine two students trying to study more. Student A keeps their phone on their desk, constantly getting distracted by notifications. Student B puts their phone in another room and keeps their study materials front and center. Who do you think will study more effectively? Student B, because they've made their environment work for them, not against them. How to apply this? Design your environment to support your goals. Make good habits obvious and bad habits invisible. Habit number 3, use the 2-minute rule. The 2-minute rule is a game changer. It states that when you start a new habit, it should take less than 2 minutes to do. The idea is to make it so easy that you can't say no. For example, if you want to build a habit of running, start by just putting on your running shoes. If you want to read more, start by reading just 1 paragraph. Once you've started, it's easier to keep going. Imagine two people trying to write a book. Person A sets a goal of writing 1,000 words a day and gets overwhelmed. Person B commits to writing just 1 sentence a day. Who do you think will actually finish the book? Person B, because they've made it so easy to start that they build momentum over time. How to apply this when starting a new habit? Make it so simple that it takes less than 2 minutes to begin. Once you've started, you'll often find yourself doing more. Habit number 4, focus on systems, not goals. Goals are important, but systems are what get you there. A goal is the result you want to achieve, but a system is the process that leads to that result. For example, if your goal is to lose 20 pounds, your system might be eating healthy meals and exercising 3 times a week. If your goal is to write a book, your system might be writing 500 words a day. Imagine to entrepreneur sets a goal to make $1 million but has no plan to get there. Entrepreneur B focuses on building a system, creating valuable content, networking, and improving their skills. Who do you think will succeed? Entrepreneur B, because they've built a system that consistently moves them toward their goal. How to apply this instead of obsessing over your goals? Focus on building systems that will get you there. Habit number 5, embrace identity change. The most powerful way to change your habits is to change your identity. Instead of saying, I want to be a runner, say, I'm a runner. Instead of saying, I want to be a writer, say, I'm a writer. When you shift your identity, your habits follow. For example, if you see yourself as a healthy person, you'll naturally make healthier choices. If you see yourself as a disciplined person, you'll stick to your habits more easily. Imagine people trying to quit smoking. Person A says, I'm trying to quit smoking. Person B says, I'm not a smoker. Who do you think is more likely to succeed? Person B, because they've changed their identity. How to apply this? Start by changing how you see yourself. Align your habits with the identity you want to embody. Habit number 6, track your progress. What gets measured gets managed. Tracking your habits helps you stay accountable and see your progress over time. For example, if you're trying to save money, track your expenses. If you're trying to exercise more, track your workouts. Seeing your progress visually can be incredibly motivating. Imagine people trying to improve their fitness. Person that doesn't track their workouts and has no idea if they're making progress. Person B uses a habit tracker and can see their consistency improving over time. Who do you think will stay motivated? Person B, because they can see the progress. How to apply this? Use a habit tracker or journal to monitor your habits. Celebrate small wins along the way. Habit number 7, never miss twice. No one is perfect and you will miss a habit from time to time. The key is to never miss twice. Missing once is a mistake, but missing twice is the start of a new habit. For example, if you miss a workout, make sure you don't miss the next one. If you skip a day of reading, get back on track the next day. Imagine people trying to meditate daily. Person A misses a day and gives up entirely. Person B misses a day but gets back on track immediately. Who do you think will build a consistent meditation habit? Person B, because they understand that progress isn't about perfection, it's about consistency. How to apply this? If you miss a habit, don't beat yourself up, just make sure you don't miss twice. Final words. The path to a better life isn't about making huge, dramatic changes, it's about small, consistent actions that compound over time. By focusing on these 7 habits, you can transform your mindset, boost your productivity, and achieve the success you've always wanted. Remember, no one is coming to save you. If you want a better life, you have to build it yourself. Start today, start small, and most importantly, start now. If this video inspired you, comment below with the habit that resonated with you the most. Like this video if you want more book summaries. And don't forget to subscribe to English Story Show for more life-changing content. The future is yours to create, so go out there and make it happen.